come here left. That movie.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle and I am back with another glow up diary. Okay, this is episode 4? 5? I don't know what episode this is actually. I have no idea. But I am back. I took a little hiatus and we'll get more into that in a second. But yeah, let's just get right into it, okay? I usually have like a script for these things, but I didn't even plan on filming this today. I didn't have a plan for when this video was gonna drop. I just decided I got some time, so let me film my video. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you are interested in beauty and lifestyle content, blogs, all that fun stuff, fashion, hauls. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of those, so stay tuned, subscribe, okay? I can't believe I came back to y'all looking like this hot mess. If I didn't record this now, I don't know when it was gonna get done. So last time I spoke to y'all, I had just gotten my new job. I hadn't started it yet, but I had just accepted my new job offer, and I was still living at home with my parents after moving out of my apartment, you know, just kind of in preparation for moving to Atlanta because I wanted to like save a little bit of money, you know, figure things out. I also didn't have like a job after I moved out, so it was a lot going on, okay? It was a lot going on, and I wasn't able to just like jump right to Atlanta, which was fine. Like that was the plan the whole time, you know. I wanted to save up before I came here. So things happened a little bit differently, a little bit more differently. I don't know. Things did not happen exactly the way I planned it, but not in a bad way. So after I accepted that job offer, I decided I am just gonna come to Atlanta. It's a remote job, so I could have probably stayed in Florida, I believe, but now I'm already here, so I'm gonna stay, right? So I started my new job in April. I believe it was like the 18th or something like that. So I had already been planning to come to Atlanta because if y'all don't know, your girl has a boyfriend and he lives here in Atlanta. No, I did not move here for him. Okay, just want to point that out. I was planning on moving here before we started dating, but not that it matters, whatever, like it is my business regardless. Yeah, so I just like, I was already planning on coming here for his birthday.
Is on your left. Skyview Atlanta. All right.
This sounds so funny. Listen up. Let's go to the top of the man. Got coming up here on Saturday. I can tell you one more time. One more chance with you again.
So I just decided, you know, I'm gonna stay here and get my equipment and blah blah blah. So I came here early April. I caught a flight here, and I just packed up as much as I could into my little carry-on and my personal item or whatever, and you know, brought myself to Atlanta. So I just figured I'll stay here for a couple of weeks, and then at some point I will go back home and drive my car up with the rest of my stuff and like officially move here, you know. So I unofficially moved here in April. It was very hard because I was here for like 6 weeks or 7 weeks with just the stuff that I packed in my carry-on. So like I didn't have a lot of stuff. I was like kind of just uncomfortable because I didn't have enough of my clothes here. I just like, there was a lot of stuff that I had to leave back home because, you know, you can only travel with certain items in your carry-on. So that was a little bit difficult for me. And then for the first like 3 weeks that I was here, I had no money pretty much because I hadn't started my job yet. So it was just like it was a little weird for me, but we got it together. I survived I should say. I survived that little time. Okay, it was definitely not as bad as like the first few months of the year where I like had no job and did not know where the next paycheck was coming from. That was a rough time. So I started my new job, and honestly I have to say that I really love my job. It is right up my alley. I enjoy what I do now that I'm like more comfortable with the job, and just like, you know, I'm not completely like 100% like I know exactly what I'm doing, like I could do this on my own. I'm still like, you know, I'm still learning, you know, I'm still just kind of not necessarily training, but like I'm still kind of training, I'm still learning. But I'm definitely getting to a place now where I feel like I can get back into content creation, back into YouTube and Instagram and a little bit of TikTok here and there, you know. So it's good. I really like my job. I'm making decent money, you know. Could be making a little bit more because inflation, I feel it. But anyways, we're not gonna talk about that. Yeah, I really enjoy it. And just in case you're like curious about what I do, I am a client development manager for my company, and what I do basically is I work in pre-sales in like the marketing tech division of the company, and I specifically am on the influencer marketing team as a client development manager. I know it's a little bit confusing, I'm sorry. But what I do as client development manager, comma, influencer marketing, is basically when a client comes to us and says, hey, we're interested in like doing a social media campaign with some influencers, running some ads, blah 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 blah. So the salesperson will just kind of talk them up and like give them information on it, and the salesperson will come to me and say, hey, I have, let's say for example, I have this brand at Walmart that wants to do a social media campaign, and I am the one that will put together the proposal deck using like PowerPoint or Google Slides, whatever it's called, to put together a presentation so that the salesperson can present it to the client and sell them on our social media services, basically. So I didn't really explain this that well, but aside from like just putting together a Google slide deck presentation, I'm also like putting together the strategy for the social media campaign and the pricing, you know, how much it's going to cost them to do all of the things that, you know, we're offering them to kind of help them reach whatever their goal or their objective is for this campaign. Hope that makes sense. Right up my alley. Okay, it's just really cool. I don't know if I explained that well at all, but like it's a really cool job, I think. Anyways, I enjoy it. I don't feel like I'm wasting 40 hours of my life every week, so that's good. And it's completely 100% remote, baby, so I have so much more time and freedom than I've ever had. Even in my last remote job, like that was still like a lot, but this, so much more freedom and time, and it's great. We have this thing called Summer Fridays, where during the summer on Fridays after 2 p.m. we're really just like free to enjoy our lives. We'll still be like on call, so if there's something important that needs to be done, then you know we still have to do it. Yeah, we basically just like have that time to just like enjoy ourselves from 2 to 6 p.m. on Friday until I think August or something like that, which is really cool. So I'm gonna be using that time to focus on my content creation, my YouTube channel. So your girl is back, okay? Hey, your girl is back. So anyways, yeah, so if it wasn't clear, I'm living with my boyfriend right now until I save up enough money and find my own apartment, because you know he lives in a 1-bedroom, and though it is very spacious, it's just not enough for 2 people with a lot of stuff. So that, and also we just kind of started dating, but we've known each other for a long time, so it's not like I'm living with this stranger, you know. But yeah, so if that wasn't clear, living with my boyfriend, staying here, saving up, looking for my own 1-bedroom apartment. But yeah, so just stacking up. Mentally, I've been doing really well, which is good, because I've never lived with someone before, besides like, you know, college roommates and stuff. But like I've never lived with like a significant other, so I was kind of worried about how that would go for me as like someone who's an only child who really enjoys their space, really enjoys their alone time, really wants to be left the alone sometimes. But it's been good, which I think is a good sign for the relationship. I think that means that, you know, maybe I found like, you know, my person. Like I might have actually found my person here, because I don't mind being around you 24/7. That's wild. Because usually I am ready to go after 48 hours. Okay, bye babe, I will see you later. But now I'm just like, I'm chilling. Like, I like you. Like, you're cool. So you know, that's that. So I've also been really in the gym. Like, I'm already like a person that likes to work out and like go to the gym and stuff, but sometimes I can get kind of sidetracked, kind of off track with it. But I've been really like 4 days a week, every week. I'm in that gym every single morning or afternoon, whatever, and I'm working out, and I'm starting to see results in my body, and it is just amazing, and I love it. So I'm super excited about, you know, finally seeing some physical results. And then overall, I just have like more energy and stuff like that. So it's great. Definitely recommend finding a physical activity that you really enjoy and sticking to it. Because yeah, I know the gym is not for everyone, but I personally love the gym. I do need to start getting back into my yoga though. I love yoga and I haven't really done it in a long time, but I'm gonna get back to that. What else do I usually be talking about? I think that's it. Yeah, I really, you know, just kind of took a break from being a content creator. Like, if you go on my Instagram, you see I haven't posted since my birthday. Like, I just really needed time to learn my job, you know, and just like kind of get situated here. Like, even though I'm not, you know, in my own place yet or anything, like, I'm gonna be here for a couple months, so I'm at least like situated here now. I have all my stuff. I got all my stuff. I packed up all my stuff into my little Corolla and drove all the way from Fort Lauderdale to Atlanta this past Sunday, and that was a journey. But it was a good drive. It was an easy drive.
If I want money and power, respect my mind, or die from that, y'all. I got 24 lighter on my dresser. Yes, sir.
Somewhere where? Past Gainesville, like not too far away from Gainesville.
So to get gas?
To eat. I got gas in Orlando, so I just stopped to eat now.
Oh, okay.
And I had like a little bit of traffic for like 2 minutes, but it wasn't bad. Yeah, that's what's been going on for the past couple of months. Just working out, and planning content for you guys, because I have not forgotten about you guys, okay? Like, I have been using most of my energy on learning my new job, but you know, every now and again, every chance that I got, I'm planning videos, I'm planning my comeback, okay? Like, and when I get my apartment, oh, y'all are not ready for me, okay? Y'all are not ready. But there's really good lighting in this place, and so I'm gonna take advantage of his apartment because he has some good filming spots in here. So yeah, this is my little like content creation corner that he has reserved for me. As you can see, I have my tripods for my lights and my ring light bag and whatever, whatnot. So your girl is back, okay? Next video is gonna be another vlog. It's gonna be my Yellowstone vlog, and then the videos after that are gonna be some fashion hauls. I'm gonna update you guys on my hair because there are some updates. You know, it's looking crazy right now. I need to wash it, but yeah, I've been, you know, living this straight natural lifestyle and I'm loving it, okay? I'm having some issues with it. It's not 100% perfect, but we'll talk about that in another video anyways. So yeah, if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, or turn on the notifications, or, you know, just keep an eye out for these next few weeks because it's gonna be lit, okay?
I don't, baby. What's this? You see that? No. It's a thirst.
Good, how are you? Oh my god.
Oh, it's hot. Please. I thought it'd be more than the day.
Me too. Well, there's shit back there. Not start a fire.
Look at that. Sammy's getting probably. Want one of these damn coin purses, babe. One of the coin purses, I want one of them. $7.
All the sesame seeds. Goddamn.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, sesame seeds.
Jesus.
It's like a little big stuff back.
Yeah.
It's a breakfast fight.
And yeah. It was so great talking to you guys again. Oh my gosh, I missed you guys so much. And I'm sorry I came out here looking a hot mess, but it was now or never. And yeah, stay tuned for the fun stuff coming. I'm really trying to up my content for you guys. I'm really trying to make it like A1 quality content. So yeah. All right, it's starting to get a little cold in here. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.